demonstrate the process of doing a firmware upgrade on the Vantrue Dashcam device. So make sure that before we start this process, you take the backup of the videos which are already captured by your dashcam. And so here we go. We start with the process. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just plug in the USB into just for charging, and once it is done it will start your device like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'll click on OK, and then I'm gonna click on this button which is a menu, and from here I will have to go to the next step. It says system setup. Click on OK, as you can see, and from here what you will have to do is just go down, click on format SD card option, click on OK, and here it will ask you the option whether you want to proceed further. Click on OK, and just wait for it to finish. So now we have formatted the SD card, and now we'll move with next steps. Okay, so we will continue from where we left earlier. Since we have already formatted our memory card, the next step is to download the firmware onto our device. So for this, what you will have to do is go to the browser of your choice on your Mac, laptop, and search for Vantrue, and we should be going to the Vantrue website. Click on support. Here you will find an option which says firmware update. Click on this option. Here you will see all the applicable firmwares which are available for the different dash cams. So I'm having a T2 dash cam, so I'm gonna download the firmware for this dash cam for the demo purpose. So if you see here, you will see a different option. So we are gonna go with the first option, unless we are in Japan, because there is a new version which is specifically meant for Japan. Maybe they might have a different bug fix for it. So I'm gonna click here, and you will see an option that file size is 1.5 MB. This is the latest version. Just keep track of it. It was released in May 2019. I'm gonna download it. So wait for few seconds to download it. It depends upon your internet speed, and it's downloading. It's just 1.5 MB file, and once it is downloaded, we'll go with the what is the next step we'll have to follow. So it's almost done. So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'll plug in the USB again into the system now, so that this is detected, and in the meantime you will see that this will be coming as a mass storage, because this will be detected as a storage device on our system. So we'll wait for this to download. So this binary file has downloaded. So what the next step we'll have to do is I'll see this option coming here, which is for this device. So since I downloaded it into my download folder, we should not be playing with this file. Don't rename, don't open it, just use as it is. In case you play with it, make sure you re-download it and use the latest version. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just copy this file. I'll put it on the uh, my device root location. The reason is that because once we plug in this device back into the charging mode, I'm gonna see the device taking this binary file and make an update on the version. So I have placed it here, and since we formatted the card, I don't see any folder or any files here. And so once it is done, okay, now go ahead and safely eject this file, and make sure that you don't unplug it directly. Once you do that, what you're gonna do is unplug it once it is safely done. And now I'll go back and put it back in the charging mode. So you will see that I have put it back in the charging mode. You will see that light is blinking continuously. This is because right now device is trying to read that binary file, and it will take few seconds or maybe a minute or so, and then it will do an upgrade on the device. So let's give it some time. and now you can see that the device is already started, and it's already in the start mode, so you can see here. So let me quickly go here, and so what you will have to do is now go to this device. You can see here, go to the next option, go to system setup, click OK, and then we will have to go move down, down. You will see system info as an option. Click here. Now this is a version which we saw on the website, where I asked you to keep a track on. So this is the same version, so it means that this firmware upgrade is successful on this device. And in case you run into an issue, please try to follow the same steps again, and usually the file will be deleted automatically, but you may again connect this device on your laptop and see if this file is already there, delete it, otherwise it's normally taken care by default. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope this will help you in doing a firmware upgrade. Thank you.